Hi, I'm Steve Nelson with diamabrush. I'm here today to introduce you to the new diamabrush 7-inch coating removal tool. I'm here on a job site where we have a variety of different conditions. We have a floor that has some vinyl patch that was used to level a floor from a transition from some carpet to some tile, and we have a sandwich of three different types of material that we need to remove today. We have anywhere from an 1/8 inch on higher of a vinyl patch which is used to level the floor, and we also have a gummy yellow sticky mastic, very rubbery, very difficult to remove. We're going to run our hand tool side by side with a traditional industry standard cup wheel which you can buy at most major retailers, and we're going to see just how fast our tool removes versus the competition. We've taped off approximately 16 square feet, and we're going to run a side-by-side comparison of the diamabrush 7-inch coating removal tool versus an industry standard 7-inch cup wheel which you can buy at most major retailers. Now, we've opened up the diamonds on this 7-inch competitive wheel just to give it a fair test, and we're going to run two sections that are each 4 feet by 2 feet. So what I'd like you to do is pay close attention to how quickly and effectively the diamabrush tool removes this gummy, sticky, tacky adhesive. As you can see in here, how it sticks to my glove. But also note that the profile that we leave behind doesn't have any scars or marks in the concrete that are going to cause us problems later that we're going to have to patch. All right, we finished our test, and as you can see, this is probably the worst case scenario. When both wheels started out, they struggled a little bit to get through the sticky gummy adhesive, but once they got down to bare concrete, they both really showed their true cutting speed. By the time we were finished with the test, you'd probably note that the diamabrush wheel was at least 8 to 10 times faster than a competitive cup wheel. And you'll also notice that we have a perfect profile without any real scratches or cut marks in the floor, so we won't have to do any patching when we're done, no matter what type of surface we put on this floor. And off to the side where the competitive cup wheel was, you'll notice that as it cleaned the floor and removed some of that adhesive, it redeposited the sticky adhesive off to the side, and we actually have a layer that's probably at least a 1/16 of an inch thick off to the sides.